We have addition of polynomials. We have three polynomials. First is trinomials because has three terms. The second is binomial because has two terms, and monomial because has one term. So now first we have to take down the parentheses. Before parentheses we have positive signs, so we have to just copy everything what we have in parentheses. So we have 8t squared plus 13t plus 6. Next we have plus 9 plus 2t squared, and we have plus 4t. Next we have to combine the like terms. We start from the highest power. We have variable only t here. The highest power is t squared. So we have 8t squared, 2t squared. Next we have 13t and 4t, and the constant is 6 and 9. So we start from the highest power. We copy variable with the highest power, we have t squared, and we have to just add the coefficients before t squared. We have 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Next we have 13t and 4t. So we copy t, and we have 13 plus 4 is 17, positive 17 of course. And next we have 6 plus 9 is 15. This is my solution.